Hello everyone. Today we're going to see about 3M rule for successful trading in stock market. These are the simplest and most common word in the market and also the root for success. Before we see into the topic in depth, if you not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, like and share so that you will not miss out any upcoming my videos. What is the 3M rule to win the trading game? So 3M stands for the first of three words: mindset, method, and money management. If you want to be a successful trader, then you should have these three rules in trading market. Most of the traders, especially new traders, think that they can be a rich in a short span. There is a statistic in a trading market: 90% of traders will be a loser, and only the remaining 10% is a successful traders in a share market. You should understand that no one can properly analyze all the market situations. So we should try to sail on the same direction. Another factor is being a discipline. It's a key to traders to succeed. If you not make your mindset in control, then soon you will be get frustrated and then you break the rule. Hence you lose the money at the end. We should prepare our mind for any drawdowns, stop losses, and accepting our wrongs. You know, if you don't have a proper mindset, then soon you'll be get frustrated. You break the rules. Hence you lose the money in the end. If you ask any successful traders, they would say the mindset determines about 60 to 70% of our winning trades. Next rule is method. The traders can trade with price action, Ichimoku, Heikenesi, even any other tools. However, the strategy will not work at all the time. So you have to define your own strategy which works you all the time. So whether it is short term or long term, even in your scalping tradings. The strategy you define should be back tested and you should follow with discipline in your tradings. If we are not trading with a method, then it's like we are running on road while closing our eyes. The discipline is the other parameter which is always used with method. So you should have a proper entry, proper stop loss, cutting the loss, growing the profit. So these are the some examples of the discipline in your method. So the many traders believe that if one have the proper method, then the probability of the winning trader will be 10 to 20%. The third rule is money. So the money management is the key factor to save your capital. Always trade with a capital which you can risk and can also provide a satisfactory return. If you are using a capital which you cannot afford to lose, then you will keep fluctuating with your emotions. And if you are also not using enough capital for trading, then the outcome could be positive but not satisfactory. So in my all tradings, I used to have 1 to 2% as a SL. Before you take any trade, you should have the maximum loss which you can offer in the trade. So you should set the proper SL. If you have a proper capital management, then the probability of success in your trade will be 20%. So now you have the 3M rule. So if you have this 3M rule followed properly, then you would be the one of successful trader in a share market. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like, be connected. Nandri.